Hello everyone, this is Lola Mia. Macaroni, salad with carrots. This is my own version everyone. Siyempre ang akong ingredients ani is macarona, fruit cocktail, the sweet corn, the carrots, siyempre ang Nestle cream o ang condensed. Na akong ingredients everyone. This is my own version, macarona salad with carrots. Lola Mia for today's video. Macarona salad with carrots. Siyempre everyone ang atong macarona ang atong fruit cocktail gyud na at atong sweet corn and then ang atong carrots. Then ang atong the dressing naton nga Nestle cream o condensed. This is Lola Mia, my own version everyone. Macaroni salad with carrots. Macaroni salad with carrots with Lola Mia. Lola Mia for today's video. Macaroni salad with carrots.